In laying down the charges against Duterte, the ICC prosecutor also just made the world smaller for his co-perpetrators by naming them. They include Bato de la Rosa, Bongo, Vitaliano Aguirre II, and several PNP officials. Time and again, we warned these people, even from prison, that this day will come. Like Duterte, they did not listen. Mayayabang pa sila. Many of them will now go into hiding, joining Bato on the lam. No matter, justice will always catch up with them. Justice will be served. Panahon na ng pagpapanagot sa pagpatay sa mga kapwa Pilipino. Oras na ng pagbabayad sa mga krimen laban sa sangkatauhan. Justice is coming.